15. What makes sprouts unique? Let's start with broccoli sprouts. These are the young shoots of the broccoli plant, harvested just a few days after they begin to grow. They look delicate, but don't let that fool you. They're crisp, juicy, and surprisingly flavorful. Many people love them because they provide gentle fiber, clean freshness, and a subtle earthy taste that blends easily into meals. What makes sprouts appealing is how versatile they are. You can add them to salads, bowls, wraps, grain dishes, smoothies, or even as a simple topping. They never overwhelm a dish, they just bring clean texture and a refreshing crunch. What makes arugula special? Now let's look at arugula. If sprouts are mild and clean, arugula is bright and bold. It has that peppery, slightly spicy bite that instantly wakes up a meal. Arugula is one of the easiest greens to use because you don't have to massage it, prep it, or soften it. It's ready as soon as you rinse it. People who use arugula often say the same thing. It makes food taste more alive. One viewer described it perfectly.
Once I started adding arugula to meals, everything tasted fresher. It became my daily go-to.
If the peppery flavor ever feels too strong for you, here's the good news. You can adjust it. Mix arugula with baby spinach, butter lettuce, or spring mix to soften the bite. The pairing still works beautifully no matter which ratio you choose. Now that you understand each food on its own, let's look at what makes them work even better together. If you enjoy simple, food-based wellness tips, subscribe to Creative Healthy Tips. We make healthy living easy by focusing on real foods, simple habits, and everyday meals that support your lifestyle naturally. The simple science behind this pairing. Here's where the magic happens, but we're keeping everything safe and simple. Broccoli sprouts contain fresh plant compounds your body uses during normal daily processes. Things like digestion, energy support, and that clean, refreshed feeling after meals. Arugula brings natural leafy green enzymes and peppery phytochemicals. When eaten together, the mild crunch of sprouts balances the sharp bite of arugula, and the two textures create a more satisfying experience. Here's the key. The enzymes in leafy greens pair beautifully with the fresh compounds in sprouts. It's just food chemistry, and millions of people benefit from it every day without even knowing why. The natural flavors enhance each other, and the nutritional variety gives your meals a fuller, more balanced profile. Next, you'll learn why so many people say this combo feels different when they add it to meals. Why people say it feels different. Many people who use this combination daily describe the experience the same way. Meals feel cleaner, lighter, and more refreshing. The crisp sprouts soften the peppery edge of arugula, and arugula gives sprouts a brighter flavor. The result is a greens pairing that's easy to enjoy, easy to digest, and easy to use in almost any meal. One person put it this way.
I didn't love sprouts alone, but when I added arugula, everything tasted fresher, like my meals just reset.
And here's the best part. You can adjust the pairing to your taste. More sprouts, sheer milder flavor. More arugula, sheer stronger flavor. You can also add cucumber, lemon, cherry tomatoes, cooked quinoa, or even a soft-boiled egg. The pairing adapts to anything. Now let's get to the part you'll probably use the most, how to put this combination into everyday meals. 3 easy ways to use this pairing. 1. The quick toss bowl. This is the fastest method, perfect for busy days. 1 handful arugula, 1 small handful sprouts, 1 tsp lemon juice, 1 tsp olive oil, a pinch of salt or pepper. Toss it and you're done. It works with breakfast bowls, sandwiches, dinner plates, anything. 1. The sandwich or wrap lift. This one surprises everyone because it makes meals taste instantly fresher. Layer arugula first. Add sprouts on top. Add avocado, hummus, carrots, or sliced turkey. Close a roll. This gives sandwiches texture, moisture, and flavor without heaviness. 1. The smoothie boost. Yes, this combo works in smoothies too. Blend, half a cup arugula, quarter cup sprouts, 1 apple, 1/2 banana, water, or coconut water. The flavor becomes bright, balanced, and clean, nothing overwhelming. Many people say this is the easiest method to add greens daily. The tiny step most people skip. Here it is, the one that makes everything better. Add a squeeze of lemon at the very end, not during prep, not during storage, right before eating. Lemon brightens sprouts, softens arugula, and brings the flavors together in a cleaner, more refreshing way. This small step is what gives the combo its lift. Safety and storage tips. Broccoli sprouts. Rinse before use. Store refrigerated in a clean container. If growing at home, rinse daily. Use within a few days. Arugula. Keep dry until use. Store in a breathable bag. Rinse and spin before eating, and as always, if you have a health condition or take medication, consult a qualified professional before changing your routine. What people commonly notice. People who use this pairing regularly often say their meals feel lighter, fresher, more satisfying, easier to prepare, easier to repeat daily. Everyone's experience is different, but consistency is the theme people mention most. Final thoughts. So why does this combination work so well? It's simple. Sprouts bring clean crunch. Arugula brings bright flavor. Together they create a naturally balanced pairing that fits easily into everyday meals and helps you enjoy more greens without effort. Subscribe, like, comment, and share, if you will. This video is for general informational purposes only and not medical advice. Always consult a qualified professional for personal guidance.